This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Well, I'm going to do a, did it come on? Hold on. Give me a second. Oh, hold on, I'm missing one step. The most important step. Just gotta find the camera. That should work. Looks good to me. Got a little bit of volatility in the markets, eh? So I figured, why not jump in? Wow, that was a pretty big move there. I caught a really spectacular short around 8:15 for that 15-point dump, but then look at the run-up. Maybe we can take advantage of it. Add a little bit to our accounts. Had a good day today. Let's do a quick sound check. And I think my first trade is going to be the band bounce. Bitcoin's going lower. Maybe I might tap into that a little bit. Okay, sound is working. Wow, it's a shame I wasn't here earlier. We had some good numbers on the volatility. Coach Fred, a Judas swing. 8, that's not bad. Those are, oh, what's this? Where am I? Did I not connect? What an idiot. I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking at the chart and I didn't even connect. How was that for stupid? So you want to hear some remarkable stuff? I was copy trading today. The leader account was up $600. The follower accounts were down $80 and $50. That was over multiple trades. I would say maybe 15 trades. Crazy, huh? I got to figure out a solution to this. It's costing me just way too much. Oh boy, so that's good. I just came in now with the volatility, that little bump up and the little bump down. Where's the time? 8:57. Where's my stream? Time shows. Perfect. Yeah, I think the Apex is the worst. Apex trade copier. So it's copying 3 accounts. Follower 1. No, leader 1, follower 3. This is in the beginning. After the first trade, it was a simple trade. I went long, a 10 lot. So it should have been 10 across. And it showed 10 across, no problem. I went and covered after about a $200 gain, 10 points. I covered. I look over here, only the leader covered, and I covered with market order. Only the leader covered. The other one still had a position. Market was still going higher. So you figure, oh, okay, well, if it's out of sync and it didn't get me out there long. I look at the position. It says position long. But my numbers are turning red and then growing because the market is charging higher on them. It was this morning. How do I have a long position and it's losing money as the market is going up? Anyways, I click flatten all, which is a button on the trade copier, and then I go look at my things, and that final flatten all was an exit, was a buy exit. So somehow it was short. Ah, you kidding me? They're not going to do anything. But you know what? I should really go look at my. I should go review my. What do you call it? My stream this morning, and see how clear it is. The thing is, the trade copier and the positions tab is not being filmed. If I could film it and then they can see it. Yeah. If I could film it and see it, I would have video evidence. But I don't have the components filming. I don't have the positions tab and the copier showing up on the screen so they can see exactly what it's doing. But you know what? Maybe I should create a different screen capture that has it all. Because it screws up everything. But anyways, I'm trying wealth charts now with Apex. Hopefully that'll be better. And I think I'm going to move all my Bullinox accounts to Platform X. Nice short. It matters. Of course it matters. Nice short. I caught a short before that long. And it was pretty much perfectly executed. I think I almost bought him with the cover. Okay, Coach Fred. Hopefully I'll see you later. Bumping up into the previous day's close. Bumping up into the previous day's high. Let me see something. Camera's going to go away just for a second. Bear with me. Okay. Camera should be back on. Bitcoin could have been a short, but I missed it, unfortunately. Like to sneeze. Okay, that's two. There's a third one. I'll close my mic. Strong update today. Do we get back above? We did. We are above that down day. Wow, so this level here is pretty significant. The 23,333. It's the highs, it's the lows. High, we made it a little bit higher. And then it was probably the low of the previous day. Where is the low that day? It was lower. Okay. Let's see what gold is doing. 1 minute MNQ, wrong chart. Thought I clicked on gold. Gold's going higher pretty aggressively. That's a pretty strong move. Dollar range. Stair stepping higher. Let's take a look at the Renko chart. Not much opportunity. And not much opportunity in Bitcoin. How quiet was Bitcoin today? It was a very small bar. We're coiling again. It could be now a bear trap for the next move lower. Who knows? We'll see. But there's really no good trade. So it went from trading Bitcoin to now trading NQ. Hey, Joker Trades. Bless you. Bless you. I didn't even see that. Sorry about that. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, it's true. I forgot. I opened up my browser to see if you'd started streaming. I got distracted. I forgot. To be able to forget things so easily is hilarious. All you can do is laugh. No, I haven't started yet. Minimize. MNQ daily chart. Don't want to be on that because this isn't an MNQ daily chart. This is a Bitcoin. Change it. There we go. Bitcoin daily chart, Heiken SE candles. It's not really Heiken SE candles, but we can change it. How is that even possible? Ah, what a moron. I changed it to 1 minute. But you know what? I think I can, you know what, you really couldn't do Heikin-Ashi candles on the 1 minute. We'll try. We'll see what it looks like just for the fun of it. Just out of curiosity. And Q is going for another run. Where are the session highs? Making a run for the session highs. Mark them in. 375. What do I got? Let's open them all. Let's get them all up here. Funding futures. My funded futures. Take profit trader. Take profit trader, $51,917. 1,000 away. I think I got 3 weeks to do it in before it expires. Actually, I should go check. Getting there, slowly but surely. But I have to confess, yesterday and today was pretty disorganized trading, very impulsive. Went back to my old habits, so I'm going to have to be careful. Remind myself my last 3 weeks were mostly phenomenal. I had almost no losing days, just trading top step trades and kind of taking the longer term trends. Had a lot of success with that, to be honest with you. I really like it. But I have a harder time holding it when it's on a funded or a PA account than I do on an eval. Eval, I don't mind. Go. Keep running. But when I put it on my funded or PA accounts, I took profits much sooner. I guess, who was it today? Someone said practice, maybe Coach Fred, practice with one lots, 2 lots. I mean, I'm only doing 3 anyways. Okay, who am I going to trade this in now? MFFU. I'm going to do user. What kind of stupid name is user? They all have their names in it, but I'm user. Go to my user account. The stop is at 40 on this one. So I'll buy a 3-lot under 55 filled. I'll add at 50 and at 45. There's my 50. Hopefully it doesn't just dump. I'm short 366. Nice short. Did you base it on the 1 minute? Right under this bar over here. Bloop. Okay, there we go. I was like, wow, nice fucking trade. I don't know what a terminus is, but if you were in at 22,890 and you got out at 366, you can call that anything you want. That's 476 points. Okay. Ah, don't go down. What did I say? 55, 50, 45. Five-minute. I can do the 5-minute and 15-minute. Hold on. That's my last ad. And we get below the band. So what did I save myself in the end again? Nothing. No, maybe not true. Who knows? 5-minute. 5-minute structure. Yeah, I was looking before at the 333 and 347 level. There's a potential top. 30-minute. Hey, it's going against me. 30-minute, I don't see anything so obvious except for maybe a potential for a bounce here at 352. It's where we rocketed higher. Actually, a couple of times. But we also did come down once at 343. And we are coming from below. So that would indicate we should sell over here. Oh, stopped out. Well, at least I get a better price. Oh shit, I wanted to do an experiment, see what the commissions are on this. $30-minute, 1 minute. Bounce of VWAP 23,351. I will start the process over again, but in the opposite direction. Get back in. Yeah, I'll get back in now if I get a close below 256. For a long or for a short? Okay, for long. Bitcoin still trading lower. Gold, I'm not really watching. Let's get 1, 2, 3 more. We'll take a 2 lot off here. Get down there. 7, almost 8-point range in the 1 minute candles. That's not bad. Bullish momentum has come off. Bearish momentum is increasing. Short is looking really good. But we need to see down now. Yeah, we got a view up there. I put my buy just under view up. You know what? I'm going to move it a little bit. Just under the previous low there. Algo needs more juice. Wonder if that's a calculation based on how much they already sucked up. Is it enough to make them money on the way down? or if they need to go take out more orders and put more orders on their side. $40 bid. We're at 44 bid now. Still 44 bid. Range is 7, so we can get to 40 quite quickly if and when it decides to go. Can do that in 1 minute, in a 1 minute candle. So even though I traded impulsively and poorly on Friday and Monday, I am mulling over the idea that when you have a bunch of accounts, $100 to $150 a day among your accounts, targeting that for your accounts is pretty damn good. So I copy traded today in Bull and Ox. I got $100 exactly in 7 accounts. So that's 700. What else? Take Profit Trader, I think, had a $300 day. One of my Apex PAs had a $600 day. Like I said, I traded impulsively. And then the 2 laggards was MFFU and Funding Futures at about -70 each. But yeah, targeting 100 to 150 a day and limiting your loss to about 100, 150 a day, rotating your accounts, taking your good setups. I think everything you own eventually gets the payout. You put nothing in danger and you just build an orchard that doesn't grow orange trees that are, so abundant, but you still have a ton of oranges to pick. It just might not be the most, I don't know if you know what I mean. Won't be the orange tree with the most oranges in it. Like, you're not getting accounts with $10,000 days, but so what? You still have an orchard to pick. There we go. Took me out. That was nice. Oh, I don't know how that was only $24, but now we let it go. See what it does. 50 points would be nice. Let's get down to 3,300. I've seen some crazy moves in the market. So I'm going to put in limit orders. Because if you didn't have in your limit orders, you wouldn't have gotten filled. Still didn't break VWAP. That's a bummer. One more try at VWAP. I would short, but I don't want to short right on VWAP. Let it just go through with the position that I have. Maybe I'll add. Getting there. Get my hand on the mouse. Looking for continuation lower underneath the bands. Looking for this bar to form bearish. Black. And then can get continuation lower with the stop above the bands. Hard to see the bands because they're kind of mixed up in the dashed lines where right now where the previous close and the previous high is. Maybe I'll make them a little thicker. Let's make them fucking, oops, let's make them thick. Boop. No more swearing, we're turning into a clean channel. There, now you can see the bands clear as day. So step one, let's get a bearish candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing a poker chip. See, if you wait for a retrace and then a continuation before you take the trade, you save yourself a lot of headaches from when it goes right through, like here where we went right through and then we went right through again. So those would be 2 full losses you would be taking. Let's say if you were to go short there and then cover and go long there. The retrace and the continuation makes your losses smaller and less likely, because it shows that not only did you break through the trend, but you're now you tried to go back over to the other side, you failed, and you're continuing, which means that now we have a probability we're going to run on one side of the bands and catch a long run. When you can catch a long run, you can catch a lot of points. Oh, I don't have my thing on. No wonder why I don't know where the next bar is going to form. Oh, look at that. We just got a short signal there too. How timely is that? It's a baby signal though. Not crazy about what that bar just did. And I gotta go see what those dotted lines are. Well, we completely reversed what that bar just did that I said I wasn't crazy about. Well, we got our bar. So I added only 4. Okay, we can get rid of those lines. They were annoying. Now let's get down to hey, no one told me these were being displayed. No wonder why it's so messy. Scale, panel, data, and display box. Okay. Wrong. Data should be in display box. Bitcoin is going down. Price markers, that's it. It's the price markers we don't need. Way too many price markers on the panel. clean them up here. They're not there. Going the wrong way. I did a 2-bar when I wanted a 4-bar. Sticking above VWAP. If VWAP lets go, we can have a bit of a dump. But if it keeps holding, eventually the sellers are going to give in and give up. And I'm going to have 2 red numbers for tomorrow morning. I have a PA account that's ready for passing, don't I? Or an Apex account? Where are you? Apex, 52,811. $190. Maybe I'll take care of that tomorrow. That would be good if I can get the Apex and the take profit past this week. There'll be another 2 more funded accounts. What I've discovered is, believe it or not, what Tom Hugart said, best loser wins. Just keep taking your losses. The times that I get in trouble is when I don't take my losses or I add to my losers and I allow my losers to get big. But when I just get in, loses out, get in, loses out, I do really well. So knowing where my stop loss is and sticking to it is the key. Five-point range on the 1-minute candles. Getting back up to previous day's close, previous day's high in the 50s. Tempted to actually take a short around the 51 level. Or to add to my short. I'll add on the next bearish candle. If we're going to go, it's going to start with the first bearish candle. Oof, I don't have much left to hang on to over here. What is it, F8? We're right at the 50%. Waiting for another bearish candle. This one won't get me out, but the next one will, if there's one more. So based on that fact that I've only got a one candle stop on this trade, I might as well take it. Shit, they couldn't have filled me. I could have raised my price by almost 4 points average price and got out of some. What am I offering? And I can't even see. Not 52.75, 53.75. Now we're going to go all the way back down to 40. Touch VWAP. Had a lot of that rangy activity last week and this week. Make a move and then you just go to sleep and range in one area. Now it looks like we're ranging between the previous day's close and VWAP for the last hour. Hey, if you haven't already, hit the like and the subscribe. Make sure you do. Tomorrow morning we'll be co-streaming with Joker. We take simple systems, simple setups. Try to bring in a lot of discipline and a lot of jokes. So check us out. Go in my shorts, check out a couple of the replays. Well, that's a shame I didn't get filled on this. I tried. Not going to add if that bearish candle forms. Bitcoin slowly drifting down, but not doing anything spectacular. And you know what this chart needs? This chart needs view up. Hey, bearish candle formed. going the wrong way. Let's encourage it.
Push. Come on, push now. Do a nice push for us, yes. Come on, push. Yeah, that was nice.
What'd we get on the downside? We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Wow, 6, 5, 4, 2. Oof. Each sequence is getting smaller. 6, 5, 4. We didn't get a 3, but then we get 2, and then we get a 1. We're just losing our time here as it just hangs around. Still got to make a break for VWAP, which is hidden among the mess. Buy limit orders, channels, previous day's high, low, close. The swing markers, well, we're in a shitty, no volatile, no movement period, so that's why everything is congested. If the markets were actually moving, you'd be able to see some stuff. Come on, now we make a break for the 40. Push. $42. We need 2 more points. Well, it's quiet. Now I want to have fun. So when I hit that 8 buy limit, 41, 40.75, 40 and a quarter. I don't even know what I'm bidding. Can't see it anymore. Was it 40? 41, 43 quarters, 40.50, 40.75, 40. Went down to 40 and a quarter. I even purposely raised it. 40. Okay. TP1. Hit. Let's go for TP2. Just a little bit under the VWAP right there. That doesn't deserve bells and whistles, but lighten up the position a little bit. Take out 10 points, 12 points. There we go. Now we'll wait for the other 2. Hopefully this is the break of VWAP that I've been counting on. We were trading in that range there between VWAP and the previous day's close. Up and down, but bearish momentum is stronger than bullish momentum. I figured we would eventually break the VWAP. But do we do it with any conviction? We're below it now. Let's see. And the sellers continue to push it. Are they even motivated to do that? Guys, I think I had enough. Close. Boom. Take the 183 on the MFFU account. I'm going to take it easy tonight. Go watch some videos, relax. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. or earlier. Check us out. Me and Omni's Trades, streaming. Simple sit-ups. Simple discipline techniques we use, very teachable. If you haven't already, hit the like or the subscribe button. Make sure to do it now, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow, clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake, waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak traits wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run to your live, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil, it's like it's satisfact. And now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.